Are you wondering what you can actually trade on Ally Invest? You've heard the name, maybe you've seen their ads, but what's under the hood? What are the tools and options available for you to build your portfolio? Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your investment journey, knowing your options is the first step. So let's dive into the types of securities you can trade on Ally Invest. First up, the most common, stocks and ETFs. With Ally, you can trade US-listed stocks and a huge selection of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, with no commission fees. This is a big deal for investors who want to buy and sell frequently without worrying about transaction costs eating into their returns. It also makes it easy to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of sectors or asset classes with a single ETF. But Ally goes beyond the basics. For those who want more advanced strategies, you can trade options. This allows you to bet on the future price movements of a stock without owning the shares outright. And yes, options trades also come with a very competitive per-contract fee. What about a more hands-off approach? Ally has you covered with a wide range of mutual funds. You can choose from thousands of no-load, no-transaction fee mutual funds, giving you a simple and effective way to diversify your holdings and let a professional manager handle the day-to-day investing decisions. And finally, for the more conservative part of your portfolio, Ally offers fixed-income securities. This includes corporate bonds, government bonds like treasuries and municipal bonds, and even CDs. These are great for adding stability and generating a steady income stream. So, to sum it up, stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, and a variety of fixed income products. Ally Invest offers a comprehensive suite of securities that caters to a wide range of investors, from beginners to more advanced traders, all within one platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.